Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Whether you're looking to sell your home or you just want to spruce it up, one of the biggest factors of your overall feel of a home is your curb appeal. Now, this is a two-part series of what you can do to add a little curb appeal. Today's is more of a lower cost, and then next week will be a little bit of more costly changes to the home. So the first thing you're going to want to do for the lower budget cost, change your mailbox. You can add a lot of personality and character, and your mailbox could stand out. You don't want to have one of those little ratty, rusty old ones. It really kind of changes the whole feel. And buyers, if they see that, they see a nasty mailbox when you're coming in, they're going to think, what other crap did they not attend to inside the home? So change out your mailbox. The second thing you can do at a low cost is pressure wash your home, your front, whether it's your pathways, your driveway, even your brick or your siding. Clean up your property. If you don't have a pressure washer, it's easy enough to borrow one from a family member or a relative, which is the same thing, or your neighbor, but you can also rent one from like Home Depot. And the third thing you want to do is update your numbers. Have nice visible numbers. Also, you can add a lot of character and personality to your numbers. You also, if you're looking to sell your home, you don't want to have the number of your home hidden. It's going to be harder for buyers to find. Even sometimes when you have a for sale sign in front of the home, you just want to make sure those numbers are visible. All right, hopefully you like these updates. Bye for now.